If you want to get rid of Scaler on a school computer, it's important to remember that it's there for a reason, to keep students safe online. Scaler helps protect you from harmful websites and content. However, if you're having issues or you need help, here's what you can do. 1. Talk to a teacher or IT staff. The best way to handle problems with Scaler is to speak to a teacher or someone from the school in its IT department. They can help you understand how it works and why it's needed. Number 2, check settings. Sometimes there might be a simple issue that can be fixed in the computer settings, so ask for help if you're not sure how to do this. Number 3, use school resources. If you need to access certain websites for school projects, let your teacher know. They can request access or find other ways to help you. Now, remember, it's important to follow your school's rules about internet safety and how to respect their policies. Getting rid of Scaler on your own isn't allowed, and doing so can lead to consequences, so always ask for help instead. Let me know in the comments if this helped, all right?